it has come up with eMaintenance, a one-of-its-kind service for all its multifunctional devices. It can monitor your machine and rectify device issues automatically, freeing time for you to concentrate more on managing your business. Our remote diagnostic will detect error alert, toner information, e-meter reading, and send information to Canon team through 100% secured HTTP protocol. With e-meter reading, we read your monthly meter count automatically. This eliminates human errors and you will not be interrupted by manual meter readers at work. The next time your toner is near finishing stage, the new toner will be dispatched by Canon without you needing to call or email anyone. E-toner management assists you in monitoring toner usage and stock management, which saves your money. Time has come when you will never run out of toner again. With eMaintenance, it empowers you to manage and control multifunctional devices more efficiently. You can even review and extract reports of your machine usage anytime you want. There is advanced technology that Canon is bringing through this service that lets it preset values for each individual machine. eMaintenance will let Canon predict maintenance needs of your machine. Going forward, it will be able to track error code detection, potential failures of different mechanical electronic components well in advance, and proactively resolve issues in a more effective way. All this is aimed to maximize productivity, device uptime, which ultimately increases efficiency of the machine. Your machine will be automatically updated with latest firmware. You do not have to wait for the engineer to come and update the latest firmware. All information transmitted to the server is 100% secure. Only machine-related data is captured. No more calls, emails, delays, loss of productivity or revenue. So what are you waiting for? Talk to a Canon representative now and get on the eMaintenance service to optimize your business operations.
Canon, delighting you always.